A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the radiance within, how cosmic energy transforms action into glory. Ladies and gentlemen, everything that exists is energy. It is the pulse behind the stars, the rhythm in the tides, the spark of every heartbeat. Ancient seers called it prana, qui, or spirit. Modern science names it the quantum field or universal force. It cannot be seen, yet it sustains all life. The human being is not merely a body, but an exquisite energy instrument, receiving, generating, and transmitting waves of invisible power. This design is not accidental. Just as plants photosynthesize sunlight, humans are born to harness cosmic energy through breath, intention, movement, sunshine, silence, and through awareness. Cosmic energy does not merely flow randomly. It responds to alignment. When thought, feeling, and action are attuned to higher principles of truth, compassion, wisdom, courage, the human system becomes a radiant receiver. This alignment is the gateway to empowerment, clarity, and grace. This energy is not inert, it is intelligent. It enters through stillness, deepens with devotion, and expands with disciplined effort. In the wisdom traditions of the world, especially echoed in the Bhagavad Gita, the message is consistent. One must act, but without attachment to outcome. Why? Because action born of aligned intention becomes selfless, luminous, and unstoppable. Yet, energy is not gathered only through silence and meditation. Exposure to morning sunlight activates serotonin and strengthens circadian rhythms. Physical movement, from walking to dance, generates vital energy and clears emotional stagnation. Nutrient-rich food fortifies cellular systems, enabling better bioelectrical coherence. This is not ritual, it is resonance. But energy, once gathered, is not for holding. In nature, stagnation breeds decay. Flow sustains life. The act of giving, whether through kindness, creativity, mentorship, or service, creates an outflow that keeps the individual in rhythm with the cosmos. This is why giving is sacred. It is not loss, it is multiplication. As energy moves outward through noble purpose, the self is both emptied and refilled in higher measures. This is the paradox. Those who give in alignment become overflowing. What's the way forward? True ambition is not to possess, it is to become, not to compete, but to contribute meaningfully. Ambition, when aligned with inner purpose, becomes fuel for evolution, not ego. Let aspiration rise, but let it be grounded in values that serve both self and the world. To walk this path, several portals must be honored. First, daily stillness and conscious breath to sharpen awareness. Second, exposure to sunlight, movement, physical activity, and nourishing food to energize the body temple. Third, sincere prayer or intention, which invites the divine download. And fourth, acts of giving, not from obligation, but from a sense of generosity, selflessness, and overflow. This is not abstract philosophy, it is practical alchemy. Alignment brings clarity. Giving keeps energy flowing. The result is a life not just of success but of significance. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when alignment and generosity meet, something extraordinary happens. Action becomes magnetic. The cosmos, through subtle laws of resonance, echoes that glory back, drawing opportunities, relationships, and recognition that elevate the self even further. Glory, then, is not a crown worn, it is a light radiated, a confirmation that one has become a living instrument of universal intelligence. As the Bhagavad Gita uplifts, be established in yoga, then act. It is not detachment from the world, but deep connection to the highest rhythms that bring greatness. To align is to awaken. To give is to grow. To live in this flow is to walk the path of cosmic grace, where personal radiance becomes collective upliftment, and where destiny itself begins to bend in reverence to a life lived in tune. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.